Hi students. Today explain what is the syllabus is present in our third sem. Okay, in the BSc BJC third sem botany. Third sem which syllabus is present. Okay, plant. What is our paper name? Plant anatomy and embryology. Okay, first unit 1, meristem, types, histological organization of shoot and root epics and theories. Okay, second one, tissue and tissue system, simple tissues, complex tissues and special type of tissues. Next, leaf, ontogeny, diversity of internal structure, stomata and epidermal outgrowth. Okay, fourth one, general account of adaptations in xerophytes and hydrophytes. In first unit, meristems, tissue and tissue system, leaf and general accounts and adaptations in xerophytes and hydrophytes. Okay, second unit, stem and root anatomy, vascular cambium, formation of and functions. Vascular cambium is vascular system. Xylem and phloem vessels are called vascular cambium. Formation, how they are, the xylem and phloem vessels are formed and what is the function. Next, anomalous secondary growth of stem. Anomalous secondary growth of stem in which plants? Acaranthus, Barhavia, Bignonia, Dracena, root beta vulgaris. Next one, wood structure. General account, study of local timbers. Which timbers? Teak, rosewood, red sandal, nallamedi and neem. Okay. Next, third unit, history and importance of embryology, anther structure, microsporogenesis and development of male gamete. Microsporogenesis means, micro means small, sporogenesis means spore formation, small spore formation. Anther structure, male gamete in a plant is called anther. So anther structure, microsporogenesis, development of male gamete. How the male gamete is developed, that's stages. Next, ovule structure and types. Ovule means female gamete. Okay, in female gamete, megasporogenesis, types and development of female gamete. Ovule structure and types, megasporogenesis. Mega means bigger size, ovules are bigger in size, types and development of female gamete. Next, unit 4th, pollen morphology. Okay, pollen grains are small in size and they have the different morphology. Pollination and fertilization, pollination types, pollen pistil interaction means how the pollination is take place, by the wind, by the any of the insect, by the water, by air, any the pollination is takes up different types. Pollen pistil interaction means the pollen means pollen grain, pistil interaction, pistil is present in the female organ. Okay, the flower, female gamete is present, pistil is interacted to the pollen grain. Next, double fertilization, how the double fertilization is take place, double fertilization, two male gametes are fertilized. Next, seed structure, appendages and dispersal mechanism, endosperm, development and types, embryo development and types, polyembryony. Polyembryony means, poly means many, embryo formed, many embryos are formed, is called polyembryony. Apomixis and outline, it is a third sem second year's BJC second year third sem botany syllabus. Okay, thank you.